Hello again, this is Olympic Diaries episode number 2. At this point, days are kind of merging into one, especially this weekend. I haven't really done an awful lot. I was supposed to get my hair cut, but that's been delayed. I got my first COVID test this morning, so tantalising wait for that to come through. I need to start packing this evening just so I can get all my stuff ready, because I'm going to have a reasonably busy next couple of days. I've somehow managed to acquire more stuff than I came down with, which I wasn't intending to do, but all the stuff is good. It just will probably take up a little bit of room. I've got all my stuff spread out around this little hotel room, and it's not very big, but it seems like I got a lot, so I'm gonna have to do some magic with my packing. To be fair, coming down, what made my bag so full was my new pillow from Levitex. Let me just grab this pillow 1 second. Nice thick foam pillow, really soft, really thick. They sent me this pillow based on what I told them about my sleeping patterns and the way that I sleep. Genuinely, so far I feel like it's making a huge difference. I also got told to, in terms of the way that I sleep, I should put a pillow between my knees and ankles, which I never knew before, and I feel like it's helped my posture quite a lot while sleeping. Oh, almost knocked over a lamp, 2 seconds. So yes, my sleep has just generally been a little bit better, I think, which is nice. Back to the point, it's that big thick pillow that has been taking up most of the room in my bag. So if I run out of room in my bag, I can just take the pillow out and carry the pillow with me on the flight. That's not a big deal. So I should have room to fit everything in my bag. Ideally, I'd like to put the pillow in the bag because I don't want to carry it through the airport, because that's just long. I'm looking forward to the next couple of days of training. It's going to be pretty quiet. I'm looking forward to just getting my head down without too many eyes on me and just doing my thing. Today is my last full day in the Holiday Inn Staybridge suite. It is time to pack all the stuff that you see around. That bag there, all this stuff on the table, not the coffee machine, my clothes, some clothes in the wardrobe, these folded clothes here, my bag, the switch, my massage gun, my weight shoes. All of that will be packed, all ready to be packed tomorrow morning. In the morning I'm waking up and going for a haircut. After my haircut I'm going to go straight to the O2 to get my third COVID test. I think the last two don't really matter. I've only had to upload the first one onto the app. It's called the Oka app, which is basically what we have to fill out in order to enter the country of Japan at this moment in time as Olympians. I've also got to get all those supplements in my bag somehow, as well as my pillow. Plus tomorrow I get all my swimwear from Budgie Smuggler. Jimmy's going to come over to Stratford with all of the stuff, and he sent me a picture of the basket full of this Jamaican designed gear, and he's got a couple towels as well as swimwear. So I'm going to have to do some efficient packing, but that's what my mum taught me. She taught me how to pack well and pack efficiently, so hopefully I can do that very well on this occasion, because I really need to. I did a round today in the pool. Alex, the now British coach, he used to work in France, but he's actually French. He has basically been coaching me today, and he'll coach me tomorrow before I leave. And then he also travelled out to Japan on Sunday or Saturday, I think it is, because he is going to be in Yokohama for Tom's exit strategy, because Tom wants to get out of the village for a few days, get away from the competition environment for a few days before going back in before his 10-metre individual. I really like Alex's coach. He's really on point and really technical. Sometimes it's like too much information, but you can just take little bits away from it and it's valuable. So I think he's a really great coach. We did some good work on my inward today, which wasn't going so well at the end of last week, but I did some much better ones today, and hopefully it can just continue improving. Also did some better reverses today, which was nice. So I did a round, and it didn't feel like a very good round. It felt like it was very shaky, and I could have done a lot better, but he scored it at 417. I was definitely massively surprised by that score. If I actually start diving better, or even if I do the same, I can get a similar score, and that score would be, I think, enough to get me through to a semi-final. So that's what I'm looking at for a prelim. Positive day so far. Really happy with it. Really happy with it. I'm training in the afternoon, so I've got the morning, get my hair cut, get my COVID test, get my training session done, get my swimwear from Jimmy, and then getting a taxi across London all the way to Heathrow, stay in the hotel at Heathrow for the night, and then I fly out the next morning. Hopefully, as long as everything is good, and as long as I have all the papers and details that I need. At this point I'm not really sure. When I sit at this angle, it looks like I've gone bald, but I haven't. I got a fresh trim up, although I don't know what's happened here. Not sure what's going on at the front here. I think my hair just might be growing weird, so it looks kind of patchy. But I got a fresh trim up from a man HD Cuts. I went over to his shop in Clapham, met him for the first time. I had reached out to him on Instagram to get a haircut before I went off to the games. He replied so quick, sent me his number, and we got speaking and trying to organise a time. If you don't know who HD Cuts is, he started off with Moussa Dembele and now he basically cuts all the footballers' hair. He goes everywhere. He told me that tomorrow, which is Wednesday the 21st, same day I'm travelling to Tokyo, he's going to Turks and Caicos with Rashford and Sancho, which is sick. He works with all the big people and he was gracious enough to allow me to come to his shop, give me the freshest trim that I've ever had. Like, my beard's looking sharp, the hair's looking sharp. It's just a shame that it's not gonna last so long.
Go around. Yeah, let me see you go around, let me see the fade. Spin around. Yeah, nice one, bro. Come on, yeah. Jeez. Mad.
He also gave me on the house, which was really, really kind of him as well, because we got talking. He's from Jamaica. We spoke a lot about, you know, my journey. I spoke about his journey. Just had a good chat. You know, he was a good guy, good conversation, and he gave me the cut for free, so it's perfect. So that was my morning. Straight from there, I went to the O2 to get my third COVID test. So I'm just waiting for the results of that. Hopefully it comes back negative. From there, went back to my hotel, grabbed a quick snack, went to the pool for training, watched Gold Rush on BBC One, which is all about the race for Olympic glory. Really interesting documentary. I'd recommend it. It might not be on there by the time I post this because it's going to be a while until this goes up. Jimmy, my friend from Budgie Smuggler, came to visit me at the pool, and then he gave me all of my goodies. Look at this. Okay, you ready? Okay, so I got some towels. This is one of the towels. And these are some smaller towels, slightly thinner. And these are the other 3 bigger towels. And they're all done in the same design as all of my trunks. He's given me 16 pairs of trunks, all with the designs that I asked him to do, and they've done them absolutely wonderfully, and I'm absolutely buzzing with them. I'm so happy, not just for the chance to wear them at the games. Obviously it's going to be sick to wear them at the games, you know, that's going to be awesome, but I'm going to get to wear these all the time when I'm training. I'm going to get to wear them next year when I come back. A few of the designs are going to be made available on the Budgie Smuggler website, so maybe actually by the time I post this, they should be up and available, so go check out my Instagram because the link will probably be on there at the time. But Budgie Smuggler are awesome. They're such a great company. They've backed me so well over the last couple of years, and they've just been growing as well. And it's not like, you know, they're this big established company that can afford to do that really easily without even thinking. Like, it has to be carefully thought out. Their support is incredible, absolutely incredible. And I'm so grateful for it. I'm here in my airport hotel. I've got one night here. I've got to like rearrange all my bags, because I got that and that. I'll probably take that one on the plane, and check that one and that one, because I can check 2 bags. And I got to fit all of this stuff in it somehow. And rearrange it also. It actually it's not going to explode, because at the moment it looks like it's going to explode. So that's how I'm going to spend my evening. Going to go quickly get some dinner and then get onto the bags and get to bed, and I go to Tokyo tomorrow. But then...
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
for those who...
Okay, let's try some Japanese snacks. First up is this. I don't know what it says. I'm guessing grape of some kind. It's quite a strong smell. Oh, it's just a sweet. Really chewy, very strong. I like grape though, quite nice. 8 out of 10. Okay, oh no, hold on, there's an aftertaste. 6 out of 10 for the aftertaste, very bitter. Ugh. Okay, next one. Looks like a Peppa Pig spin-off. And, I don't know, what's that? What, is it Goldilocks and the Three Bears or whatever? Is that it? I don't know what he's got on his head there. What's that? Why has he got that on his head? Okay, and literally, I don't even know what this could be. Let's try it. Oh, I think it's a chocolate. Maybe a biscuit. Oh, mushrooms. Chocolate mushroom heads. That is a good snack. 9 out of 10. Maybe even a 10. That is solid. No, 9. 9 out of 10. Okay, this is very similar to this one, so I'm just assuming this is an orange flavour of the same thing, orange sweet. But let's find out. Can't even open it. Come on, man. Okay, we finally got into it. Not as strong as the grape smell. Much more pleasant taste. Quite enjoyable. Like that. 8 out of 10. Okay. Interesting triangle packaging. Strawberry flavour, clearly. It's very aerated. It's like an air bubble. Don't know what it's going to be. Oh, strawberry chocolates. The strawberry flavour isn't particularly good. The chocolate bit's nice, but the strawberry flavour isn't great. I'm going to go for a 5 out of 10 for those. It fills the hole, does the job, but the strawberry flavour isn't great. Okay, last thing we got is, looks like just a chocolate bar by Meiji. The same brand as all of these, I think. Yep. This must be the Japanese equivalent to Nestle or Cadbury's, I'm guessing. But they obviously branch out into sweets, which Nestle and Cadbury's don't really do too much. So I think we've just got a block of chocolate here. Looks like it's solid, can't go too far wrong. Very good chocolate. Very good chocolate. Nice. That's a 10 out of 10. There's nothing wrong with that. Perfect. Perfect. The only thing is it's a little bit small maybe. But all the snacks are small. So I'm going to finish eating my snacks. Have my isotonic drink, which tastes just like Gatorade according to their sign, and wait for my COVID test results. And then I'm free to go to the village.